Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew Nicole. Today has finally arrived. I've been eagerly waiting to get my hands on the PlayStation 5, and finally my brother and I were able to score one unit. Now every month we are waiting or checking online for pre-orders from our local stores. By the way, I'm from the Philippines, and we've been checking Data Blitz, Gameline, Game Extreme, whichever marketplace that is selling at regular MSRP. So we don't want to pay those scalpers of the ridiculous prices that they're offering. So finally, we're able to get one last week. Now, the PlayStation 5 that we got is the disc edition. There is a PlayStation 5 digital edition that is of course without this drive, which is this one. Okay, so we got this locally at the price of 27,990 pesos or 28,000. That is the local SRP of the PlayStation 5. Actually the discless edition is cheaper, but because we have plenty of PS4 disc games still hanging around, this PS5 can play all those PS4 games. So with improved resolution, improved frame rates, improved loading times. So I'm excited to open this one. Now this package actually came with 5 games, no? So I'll show you the games later on. And in this video, we're going to unbox this one and we'll take a look at the box and the contents inside. So I hope you stay until the end of the video. All right, so let's go in. So this one is the PlayStation 5. This is the latest generation, okay, of the Sony PlayStation. Now this PlayStation can, in fact, according to the specifications, support 8K. But right now there are no 8K games, or at least affordable 8K TVs as well. So 4K will do. So 4K at 120 Hertz, and this supports HDR. Okay, HDR is high dynamic range or high dynamic ratio. Okay, so yeah, so on the side of the box is this one. Okay, and at the back, so the good thing about the PS5 is you have, instead of the hard drive that the PS4 have, you have this one, the SSD. Now the SSD is way better than the hard drive in terms of the loading times. Okay, so according to the manufacturer, the loading times will be instantaneous, at least near instantaneous, so no need to wait so long. The controller is the DualSense, a new kind of DualShock, okay, as you can see in the design. Okay, it has haptic triggers and it can vibrate and, you know, try to emulate the game's sound effects or visual effects. Okay, on this side, okay, so yeah, basically that's it. Okay, so we're going to open this one. So let me just unbox it in front of you. This is actually the first time that I'll be doing this. So what are the contents? So you have the manual. So you have the safety guide as well. So quick start guide and safety manual. This is the controller, and this is the power cable. Okay, so this is the plug at the other end, and this is, I think, the stand. Open that one, and HDMI cable. And let's remove this one. Oh, and you have the USB-C cable. All right, let's remove this big boy. Okay, this PlayStation 5 is way heavier than the PS4 or PS4 Slim. Okay, so let's do first with these things. Okay, so you can opt to mount your PlayStation 5 in this horizontal stand, okay, or even vertically, okay. So you can clip this one, and you have the DualSense. Ooh, very nice. This is way bigger than my old PlayStation controller. Okay. If you want to check out the unboxing of this one, I have a video for this one as well. That's that. And of course, the USB-C and the USB-A adapter and the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable is rated at 2.1 already. So if your TV supports 2.1, this will be you can take advantage of this cable. But if you don't have a TV that is 2.1, because still it's very expensive, 2.0 or 1.4, 1.6, I think this is backwards compatible. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Very, very heavy. Ooh. Here it is, guys. The PlayStation 5 in the flesh in my room. So this is the back end. So you have two USB ports and a power, and of course a LAN port, this one. So this one has Wi-Fi, so you can connect this via your network wirelessly, and of course for better experience, use the network cable, okay, and HDMI and the power. Now this one is USB 3.1, I think already. Okay, so at the front you have more USB ports, and you have actually USB-C. This one, USB-C. Okay, and this is the power and the eject button. Okay, at the bottom, so you have all these markings. Okay, we have an air purifier video, and this one actually looks like the air purifier. So I'll show the air purifier picture right over here. Okay, so you can actually remove this panel, this front and back panel, the white panel, if you want to customize, or you can actually remove this one, and you can or have it repainted or buy another set. Okay, to remove, let's try. I hope I will not break it. Okay, so let's see if I can remove it without breaking it. I'm too scared to remove it. Maybe not on this video. I changed my mind. We will not remove this one. Okay, so what came with the package? What came with the bundle? Now the bundle, actually, the shout out to Gameline, and they gave a poster like this one. Now, not everybody had a poster. Okay, it just so happened that I was there at the right moment at the right time. So shout out to the sales lady who said if I still want a poster, and I said sure, whatever is free, I'll take it. And they also gave me a bag, a PlayStation bag like this one, very handy because it's very heavy, so you need a bag to carry it. And of course, the games. They also provided sticker freebies. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video, obviously. I bought this with my own money. Okay, so what are the games that came with the bundle? So we have the Spider-Man Miles Morales, the standard edition, PS4 version. Okay, so this one, actually you can upgrade to the PS5 version. And if you want to upgrade it into the Ultimate Edition that came with the Spider-Man remaster, you can do so as well. Okay, and of course, everybody's hyped up game, the Cyberpunk. This is the PS4 version. Then, according to Cyberpunk developer CD Projekt Red, they will give a free update to PS5 when the time comes. Now, I'm still debating whether to keep this or not, because I'm primarily a PC gamer, and as you know, PC gaming has more support for mods. unlike in PlayStation. So I'm thinking if I will keep this one or resell it and buy the PC version instead. But this one has multiple freebies inside, like posters, so it's a hard decision to make. Okay, so another one that I got is the Ghost of Tsushima. Okay, the Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. This is the latest from Insomniac Games, I think. So this one also came with the Iki Island expansion. Okay, so this is the complete package. Now you can also get this for PlayStation 4, but for PlayStation 5, of course, that's the way to play it. The enhanced graphics are there, and yeah, better overall in PlayStation 5. And this one, Demon's Souls. This is an exclusive for PlayStation 5 system. So Demon's Souls released originally in PlayStation 3, but they skipped a remaster, so they remastered it for PlayStation 5. Okay, so Demon's Souls. And a childhood game of mine, the Final Fantasy VII Remake. Okay, so Final Fantasy VII actually is the first RPG that I ever completed, as in completed 100%. Okay, when I was a kid. Now to be able to play this remake in my PS5 it's gonna be a very wonderful experience. Okay, now this one came with the Intergrade and the Yuffie DLC. So this one is already complete as of now. Okay, so again, the Final Fantasy VII Remake is not yet finished. There's still more discs to come. Now I own the PS4 version of this one, so that one I might sell it because it's an older model and there is no Yuffie DLC, so I might be playing this one instead. Okay, so yeah, so basically I'm very happy and excited to open each game. The first game that I'll be playing is the Ghost of Tsushima. I've heard so much good reviews on this game, so yan ang unahin natin. That's the first game that I'll be playing. Now I'll be booting this up, and if I can, I'll try to show you how to the first time setup of the PlayStation 5 in our living room TV. So with that, I'll post all the product description or product page of the PlayStation 5 down below in the video description. If you want to check out the stores that you can get one locally if you're in the Philippines, I'll also put their game stores website online links down below. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching my simple unboxing and overview of the PlayStation 5, and I'm looking forward to play this game in years to come. Oh, please like and subscribe. So thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.